gonna show you how to DIY a Hollywood mirror in a very cost-effective way. So basically for this Hollywood mirror, we're gonna start with putting together a frame using a 1x6 wood, and we're gonna use the vanity mirror lights around it, which we're gonna put it on the frame as well. We're gonna install a dimmer switch, and we're gonna add the power plug to it. And last, we're gonna mount the clips behind the mirror so that you can easily hang it on the wall. The mirror that we're using is a 24 by 36 inch mirror. Let's start with the building the frame. It costs around $20 to $30 depending on what type of lights you buy. This one comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bulbs. So I'm gonna have one on this side and the larger one on the top. So I'm just going to open one that I can use for measurements for my frame. And measure 4¼ inch wide and 30 inches in length. 4¼ inch. So I am going to use a 1x6 by 8 inch prime finger joint board. This is a solid wood. It has been primed for a quick and easy finish. So first I'm going to measure and mark my top header of the frame. Right, so this one is 36 inches by 4¼ inches. So I'm gonna have 4¼ then 36 inches, and then 4¼ inches. This is going to be my top, and that's gonna be bottom. So the 44 and 3/4 inch. 30 inches is going to be the total length, total height of the mirror, minus the 6 inches, the 2 6 inches will be, it's actually 5½ inches. They call it the 1x6 appearance board. In the reality, the actual size is 1 inches thick by 5½, and I think the thickness is also not the 1 inch, it's 5/8. They call it the 1x6 by 8. Should be good enough for our work. So the other 2 boards that I'm going to cut is going to be 19.5 inches. That's what I'm going to cut from the other piece of thread. So 19.5, and then these are 44. The framing, I'm going to show you. We're going to use a pocket hole Kreg tool to kind of join them together. That's going to be a little interesting and going to be a fun learning as well. Alright, so let me just put this aside. I'm going to mark the other one as well, and then we'll start doing the cutting.